Hello, friends in video land. This is Attorney Jeff Goldtrap bringing you another blog in my continuing effort to give edification, information, and knowledge, because knowledge brings peace, knowledge brings power, and knowledge brings uh, success sometimes in court. This is not a technical court information video today. It is a motivational, it's a thought for the day. So here's the thought for the day. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. That's the thought for the day. I had an opportunity last week to spend some quality time with my family, which I love to do, and to go visit relatives out of state. Now, to get to relatives out of state, you can fly, you can take a hot air balloon, you can take a walk if you'd like to. I chose to rent a vehicle, load up the kids, and head south to the beautiful state of Florida. Took off, left Nashville. Everything is great. I'm on the interstate late at night when the kids are asleep, clicking along at 70 and 80 miles an hour. Everything's fine. We get to about the middle of Georgia, south of Atlanta, and find out, shocking, that there's construction. Now the interstate that was 4 lanes is 1. And so 3 of those other lanes, trucks, cars, planes, trains, and automobiles, have to squeeze down to 1 lane and avoid hitting each other and hitting the little construction people that are working and doing their part. That was pretty frustrating, because what happens with your passengers, children, and family? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? They're anxious. They're wanting to get the show on the road, as we say. Well, I tried different techniques. Try to get in front of the car a little quicker. Beep the horn every now and then. Say unkind metaphors about the other drivers. These things, I would suggest, don't do you any good at all. In fact, they're counterproductive. They're not good. They raise your blood pressure. They just increase the anxiety in the car, and they don't make forward progress any faster than it would have been. But the answer, the interesting thought for the day, is that I actually was making forward progress. I actually did move the car a little bit down the road. Now, not at 80 miles an hour, maybe at 5 miles an hour, maybe at a dead stop while we let somebody else move in, and then another 5 miles an hour. Because you see, I found out that we had to just keep moving. Traveled on down the road, got into Central Florida, ran into a fierce thunderstorm. I mean, it's just raining cats and dogs. I know that because I stepped in a poodle. Oh, I'll be here for shows it all week. Anyway, dad humor. That's dad humor. Anyway, ran into Central Florida, ran into a thunderstorm. Rain is just pouring down. Now, I could not maintain 75 and 80 miles an hour and not see the cars in front of me. I had to slow way down. But even when I slowed way down, I still made forward progress. I still made some progress. I just kept moving. I eventually got to see my relatives, spent some wonderful time visiting with family. And I got to do that because I just kept moving. What do I do for work? I'm a criminal defense attorney. I help people with their criminal law problems. When you get arrested for something, domestic violence, let's say, you get arrested for domestic violence, you want that case over with today. You want that case over with yesterday. You didn't want to get arrested at all. You would rather the police have never come there. But they did, and you got arrested, and you're coming to see me. You're in my office. Your question is, Jeff, will this be over with? Can this be over with before we even go to court? Sure, it can. Is it going to happen? No. Jeff, can this be over with the first time we go to court? Jeff, can this be over with within hours of my being in court? When would you like your case disposed of or ended? Well, you'd like it ended today, right now. But if it's over with now, or the next time we go to court, or the next 3 times we go to court, just continue to make forward progress, continue to make progress, continue to just keep moving. When your case is developing fast and things are looking good for you fast, rapidly, that's fantastic. If things seem to slow down, discovery takes a while, witnesses need to be found, when court seems to drag on and on and on, just remember, we're still making progress. We're just keep moving. What I want you to learn today is to sometimes be patient, trust your lawyer, and just keep moving. Folks, have a wonderful day. If you don't have a good day and you have a legal problem, call me 615-254-1471. It's great talking to you.